Hello everyone, welcome back with the fifth puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on, yes, it's Monday August the 24th, 2020. The fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle, and this will be number 14001. And what kind of a binary puzzle is this one? We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Let's get started. Alright. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Let me see. 1, 2. Where's the opening? Where is the opening? 3. I can't see the opening. Where is the opening? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 2 2 3. Where is the opening? 3 1s. If I place the 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. And now, can I find more? Do I need to compare? I need to compare. Look. This column and that column. 0 0 1 1. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have an O. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have 4 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's in this row. Double O here 1, there 1. And then between 2 O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then, do I need to compare again? I need to wait. 101. Yeah. 3. 1 2 3. I think I need to. We have 3 O's in this column. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed. So here can be an O. Here should be a 1. 1. Alright. right. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Then, do I need to compare? 101. 1, 2, 3. 10. Alright. Yeah. I need to compare 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare. I think I need to compare. The way for 01. 1, no. How about the 10? Yes. This one and that one. This row and that row. 0011 empty box. 0011 0011 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. 2 digits. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Yes, finish in 7 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Lot of thinking. Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.